Welcome listeners to another deep dive into the intricate world of artificial intelligence here on A Beginner's Guide to AI. I'm your host, Professor Jep Hart, and today we're unearthing the hidden giants behind the chips that power the AI revolution. While names like NVIDIA ring familiar in our ears, there's another player, somewhat cloaked in the shadow of the semiconductor limelight, yet its impact is colossal. Imagine a world where the speed and efficiency of your favorite AI platforms, the smartphones in your pockets, and the computers at your desks hinge on the innovation and technology produced by a company unknown to many. This episode unveils the story of ASML, a titan in the semiconductor industry, whose machines are the unsung heroes behind the tiny chips making big waves in technology. ASML, standing tall in the Netherlands, is not just another company in the semiconductor ecosystem, it is the linchpin in the production of the world's most advanced computer chips. With their extreme ultraviolet lithography machines, they have etched their name into the very fabric of technology, enabling the creation of chips so small and efficient that they are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI, healthcare, and beyond. But why does this matter to us, and how does ASML's shadowy yet critical role affect the broader landscape of artificial intelligence and technology? Join me as we journey through the corridors of the semiconductor industry, peeling back the layers to reveal how ASML's technology is not just supporting but accelerating the pace of innovation. From the intricacies of extreme ultraviolet lithography to the strategic significance of ASML's virtual monopoly in this space, we'll explore how supply constraints and technological breakthroughs are shaping the future of technology. This episode promises not just to inform but to fascinate, as we delve into the mechanisms powering the digital age. Stay tuned as we uncover the untold story of ASML, the giant behind the scenes, enabling the chips that power our increasingly digital world. In this segment, we delve into the fascinating world of extreme ultraviolet lithography, EUV, a cornerstone technology that has revolutionized the semiconductor industry. At the heart of this innovation is ASML, a Dutch powerhouse that has quietly assumed a pivotal role in the production of the world's most sophisticated computer chips. EUV lithography, for those unfamiliar, is not just another step in chip manufacturing, it's a quantum leap that has enabled the creation of circuits smaller than ever before, pushing the boundaries of physics and engineering. The journey of EUV lithography begins with an understanding of what lithography is in the semiconductor manufacturing process. In simple terms, it's akin to printing intricate patterns on a silicon wafer, patterns that form the transistors and circuits of a computer chip. Traditional methods faced limitations as chipmakers demanded smaller, more efficient chips. Enter EUV lithography, which uses extremely short wavelengths of light to etch incredibly fine patterns onto chips, patterns so small they were once thought impossible to achieve. ASML stands alone in this space, the sole supplier of EUV lithography machines worldwide. These machines are marvels of engineering, combining physics, optics, and extreme precision to produce the chips that power everything from smartphones to servers running complex AI algorithms. The significance of ASML's monopoly cannot be overstated. Without their technology, the pace of technological advancement would slow considerably. Understanding the intricacies of EUV technology requires a dive into the mechanics of how it works. Imagine focusing the power of the sun into a beam of light narrow enough to pass through a needle's eye, then using that beam to draw patterns finer than a strand of human hair on a silicon wafer. This is the level of precision EUV lithography achieves. The process involves generating EUV light by firing intense laser pulses at tiny droplets of molten tin, producing light that is then focused onto the silicon wafer. The challenges in developing this technology were immense, from creating mirrors that could reflect EUV light without absorbing it, to maintaining a vacuum environment inside the machine to prevent the light from being absorbed by air. The strategic importance of ASML's EUV lithography extends beyond its technical prowess. In an era where technology is increasingly defined by the capabilities of the hardware at its core, ASML's machines are the gatekeepers of progress. The company's role in the global semiconductor supply chain is critical. Any disruption in their production could have cascading effects on industries worldwide. Moreover, the geopolitical implications of ASML's monopoly are profound, with governments recognizing the strategic value of controlling or having access to the most advanced chip-making technologies. In the context of AI, the implications of ASML's technology are particularly striking. Advanced AI systems require immense computational power, which in turn demands chips that are not only powerful but also energy efficient. EUV lithography enables the production of such chips, facilitating the development of more sophisticated AI models and applications. From autonomous vehicles to real-time language translation, the advancements enabled by ASML's technology are foundational to the next generation of AI innovations. As we peel back the layers of this complex narrative, it becomes clear that ASML, through its development and monopoly of EUV lithography technology, plays a critical role in shaping the future of technology. The company's contributions to the semiconductor industry underscore the interconnectedness of global technology ecosystems, where a single innovation can have far-reaching implications. Through the lens of EUV lithography, we gain insight into the challenges and triumphs of pushing the limits of what's possible, laying the groundwork for a future where the full potential of artificial intelligence can be realized. The monopoly of ASML and the risks involved. There are significant concerns about ASML's dominance as a monopoly in the EUV lithography sector, both from an economic and risk perspective. EUV lithography is absolutely critical for the semiconductor industry, enabling the fabrication of cutting-edge chips with smaller feature sizes and higher transistor densities. ASML's virtual monopoly on this vital technology is deeply problematic. For starters, having a single supplier for such a crucial component leaves the entire supply chain incredibly vulnerable. Any issues at ASML's production facilities, intellectual property disputes, or geopolitical tensions could grind the supply of these systems to a halt. This would cause severe delays and staggering financial losses for chipmakers around the globe. But the risks don't stop there. As the only game in town, ASML wields tremendous pricing power. They can effectively name their price for EUV lithography systems, forcing chipmakers to pay through the nose. Those exorbitant costs then get passed along to consumers in the form of higher prices on everything from smartphones to computers. Monopolies also tend to stifle innovation over time as competitive pressures disappear. While ASML has undoubtedly been the driving force behind EUV lithography, a lack of viable alternatives down the road could see the pace of technological progress in this vital field begin to slow. There are also significant geopolitical implications to consider. As a Dutch company, trade disputes or political tensions involving the Netherlands or its allies could cut off the global supply of these systems overnight. Such a scenario would be catastrophic for semiconductor fabs everywhere. The risks are arguably even graver than having a single dominant player like Nvidia in the GPU space. As essential as graphics processors are for gaming, AI, and scientific computing, they simply aren't as fundamental to the entire semiconductor supply chain as EUV lithography. So when could these risks rear their ugly heads? Natural disasters, pandemics, or political instability where ASML operates could trigger supply chain chaos. Escalating trade wars or new sanctions among major chip-producing nations like the US, China, and allies could restrict access. Even intellectual property lawsuits over EUV patents could potentially shut the whole thing down. And if demand for cutting-edge chips starts to outpace ASML's production capacity, bottlenecks and delays will be inevitable. To mitigate these vulnerabilities, we need to seriously explore developing viable alternatives and fostering more competition in this space as soon as possible. Contingency planning for potential supply shocks is also critical. And you can be certain antitrust regulators will be taking a very long, hard look at ASML's monopolistic position to ensure fair pricing and competition. The risks of having a single point of failure for such a linchpin technology are simply too severe to ignore. In the spirit of exploration and innovation that has guided us through today's journey into the heart of semiconductor technology and its pivotal role in advancing AI, we now reach out to you, our curious and engaged listeners. We invite you to delve deeper into this fascinating world by joining our community of forward thinkers and technology enthusiasts. Imagine being at the forefront of the latest developments in AI and semiconductor technology, equipped with insights and knowledge that could shape the future. By subscribing to our newsletter at argoberlin.com/newsletter, you embark on a continuous journey of discovery. This is your opportunity to gain exclusive access to tips, tricks, and deep dives into the realms of AI innovation, semiconductor advancements, and much more. Join us as we navigate the complexities of technology together, unlocking the mysteries of the digital age, and paving the way for a future filled with endless possibilities. Your next step into the future of technology is just a click away. Subscribe today and never miss a beat in the ever-evolving world of AI. As we delve into the intricacies of AI and the technological marvels that power it, let's not forget the essence of learning, curiosity, and engagement. To foster this spirit, we propose a thought-provoking challenge that transcends the conventional bounds of listener interaction. Consider this not just an exercise, but an invitation to engage deeply with the frontier of technology. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, involves embarking on a quest to explore the capabilities of AI in your daily life. This journey requires you to select one AI-based tool or application that you've never used before. It could be an AI-powered language translation service, a smart home device, or an advanced AI photography app. The choice is yours, and the possibilities are as vast as the realm of AI itself. Once you've selected your tool, dedicate some time to explore its features, understand its workings, and most importantly, reflect on its impact. How does it enhance your daily routines or work? In what ways does it streamline tasks or provide solutions to problems you didn't know you had? Your exploration should culminate in a personal reflection on the role of AI in shaping human experiences, efficiency, and connectivity. This task is not just about using an AI tool, it's about immersing yourself in the experience of AI, critically analyzing its benefits, and contemplating its broader implications for society. Through this exercise, you'll gain first-hand insight into the practical applications of AI, fostering a deeper understanding of the technology that is shaping our world. Embrace this challenge with an open mind and a keen sense of inquiry. The journey into AI is as much about the destinations you'll discover as it is about the questions you'll encounter along the way. Let's venture together into the unfolding narrative of AI, exploring its capabilities, challenges, and the endless possibilities it heralds for our collective future. As we wrap up today's enlightening journey into the world of extreme ultraviolet lithography and its paramount role in the semiconductor industry, courtesy of ASML, it's crucial to reflect on the key insights and revelations that have unfolded. This exploration has not only illuminated the intricate processes behind the creation of the most advanced computer chips, but also underscored the profound impact of these technological advancements on the evolution of artificial intelligence and the broader technological landscape. We delve deep into the essence of EUV lithography, a groundbreaking technology that stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of innovation. By understanding the mechanics and significance of this technology, we've uncovered how ASML's contributions are quietly yet fundamentally altering the fabric of our digital world, enabling leaps in efficiency and capability that were once deemed beyond reach. Instead of a case study, we focused this time on the risks that arise through the current situation. ASML's monopoly on EUV lithography, a critical technology for advanced semiconductor manufacturing, poses significant economic risks and supply chain vulnerabilities for the entire chip industry. With no viable competitors, any disruption to ASML could grind chip production to a halt worldwide, while their unchecked pricing power threatens to drive up consumer costs. Fostering competition, contingency planning, and potential antitrust scrutiny are essential to mitigating the perils of this monopoly on a linchpin technology. Through this episode, we've journeyed from the macroscopic impacts of ASML's technology on global technology ecosystems down to the microscopic precision of EUV lithography. This narrative encapsulates the intricate dance between technological advancement and its implications for society, emphasizing the critical role of innovation in shaping the future of artificial intelligence and beyond. Let this episode serve as a reminder of the endless potential that lies at the intersection of technology and creativity. As we continue to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of AI and semiconductor technology, let us remain curious, engaged, and ever mindful of the profound impacts our technological pursuits have on the world around us. In the spirit of pioneers who've illuminated the path of progress with their insights and inventions, let's conclude today's episode with a thought-provoking quote from the annals of technology and science. This quote, from John von Neumann, one of the towering figures in the history of computing and mathematics, encapsulates the essence of our journey through the world of semiconductor technology and its impact on artificial intelligence. The computer was born to solve problems that did not exist before. As we reflect on the role of ASML and its groundbreaking EUV lithography in pushing the boundaries of what's possible in semiconductor manufacturing and, by extension, in the realm of AI, von Neumann's words remind us of the cyclical nature of innovation. Each technological breakthrough not only addresses existing challenges but also paves the way for new questions, new explorations, and, ultimately, new solutions. This cyclical journey of problem-solving and discovery is what drives humanity forward, pushing us to explore the unknown territories of science and technology. ASML's contributions to the semiconductor industry exemplify this drive, showcasing how each new advancement in chip technology opens up unprecedented possibilities for AI and the digital world at large. Please don't forget to subscribe to the podcast. Join us as we continue to explore the fascinating world of AI, delving into the innovations and ideas that shape our future. Together, let's discover the endless possibilities that lie ahead on this exciting journey into the heart of technology and human ingenuity.